So this week's video is going to be a bit different. Tomorrow I'm going to go to a local cosplay and board gaming event, and I'm excited to do my very first public cosplay. And for that, I'm going to do one of my all-time favorite characters, Spike Spiegel. And so what this video is going to be is me testing out the basis of the costume. First thing we're going to need is a pair of pants. Now in the anime, we're not going to talk about the Netflix show. He wears what seem to be dark blue slacks, but I'm going to be doing blue jeans for a couple of different reasons. I want to be able to do the classic high kicks from the show and from the opening, and you can't do that if you're wearing slacks. Stretch jeans, ha! Yeah. Next, we're gonna need a shirt. So in the show, Spike wears this like dark yellow tan long sleeve shirt with the sleeves folded up, and this is the closest color I've got. It looks pretty good. Up next, we're gonna need his jacket. The problem with his jacket is he wears a very specific style of jacket with two light blue stripes that go across here, which doesn't really correspond to any real jacket. Here is where I'll take a little bit of artistic license. Half the time, considering that it's summer, this will just be slung over my shoulder anyway to match some artwork I've seen of his. Yeah, so it's not exactly right, but I think it does send a message across at least. Finally, final touches are the tie, which he wears very poorly done, very loosely around his neck. This is just the black tie from my college uniform. That's too short. Let's try that again. Shit, I actually think that looks pretty good. I actually think it looks better with the jacket off though. Thrown over his shoulder like he has in half of the scene, especially from the movie. Collar's kind of either up or like this, a little bit down to the sides. And all I gotta do is take some pictures from the opening with a nice, beautiful, like... Alright, well, all things go well. See you all tomorrow in the costume. Peace. Alright, so...